Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set business details in the Invoices application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the settings button in the upper left corner of the screen. Go to the invoice section and tap on the first button, business details. Here you can set your business logo. If you tap on it, you can select one from your gallery or take one with your camera. After that, you should set the business name or your company's name, type it in. Then you can set the business owner name here. The business number can be typed in into the next section. Then you can select your city, type in your address. Then you can set your email address, add your phone number and website link too. Everything will be changed automatically, so just simply tap on this button in the upper left corner of the screen to update this section. If you want to edit it, just come back to this invoice section and change the relevant ones. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.